have to be ready for next 1 hour. So if anybody wants 5 minutes break, it is better you take now, because if somebody goes outside in between, then the speaker thinks that he is not interested. So it is, if you wish, you can go now. And Honorable PN sir has introduced my topic for today, that is stress management. So we are doing several online trainings from CBSE on online training, and this was one of the topics which I had attended. So first of all, today this topic, stress, is related to our life. Honorable Manoj sir has given us a very informative session, NEP, which is to be implemented in our school. And that was very much informative. He had done very good study. He has given a long time, and we were acknowledged by him. That was based on fact. And this topic is related to everybody's life. That is stress. No one can deny. Nowadays it is said that it has become the part and parcel of our life. So today's agenda is, I will try to explain the meaning of stress, then identify what makes something stressful, and then identify the solutions to reduce stress. So this is agenda for today. So it is very important, because fact says that 90% of the world population suffer from this stress. We say that stress is part and parcel of our life, and we have to accept it. But first of all, let us discuss what is the dictionary meaning of this stress. Stress क्या होता है? What is stress? If any friend wants to discuss, you can. Everybody feels stress because of some situation. So, what is stress? This is the first thing we will see here. This is the dictionary meaning. Stress can be defined as our mental, physical, emotional, and behavioral reaction to any perceived demands or threats. This is the definition of stress. So let us see here. This is related to mental also, physical. तो किस कारण से होता है ये भी इसमें आ गया. Because of stress can be defined as our mental, physical, emotional, and behavioral. 4 things are there. Reaction to any perceived demand, perceived which we notice, demands or threats. When our demand is not, we see that it is not going to be fulfilled. हिंदी में स्ट्रेस को तनाव कहते हैं. इसी के लिए दूसरा वर्ड टेंशन ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. हम लोग बहुत टेंशन है, तो टेंशन भी वही है, तनाव. तो this is the definition, that when we have some desire in our, and that is not fulfilled, when our demand is not fulfilled, then we feel this. Okay. Next, another definition is there, a widely accepted definition of stress, attributed to psychologist and Professor Richard Lazarus each. A condition or feeling experienced when a person perceives that demand exceeds the personal and social resources. डिमांड ज्यादा है और हमारे पास रिसोर्स कम है, then we will feel stress. When a person perceives that demands exceed the personal and social resources, the individual is able to mobilize. When we think that हम out of control है, हमारे कंट्रोल में जब कुछ नहीं रहता है सिचुएशन, then we feel stress. Another same thing is repeated here in another by another professor, psychologist, Richard Legers. We have, I think it is repeated. Now the meaning is given here. This means that we experience stress if we believe that we don't have the time, the resource or knowledge to handle a situation. कुछ करना है हमें, we don't have enough time. कम समय में करके देना है और करके तो स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, इतना ही समय में आपको कर देना है. तो वी डोंट हैव टाइम, रिसोर्स और नॉलेज, करने नॉलेज नहीं है, ये करने का काम दे दिया गया है तो स्ट्रेस होगा. कहाँ से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट किया जाए? अब कोई काम हमें दिया गया तो हम अगर हमारे पास नॉलेज नहीं है वो करने का तो स्ट्रेस होगा, लेकिन करना है, इट इज मैटर ऑफ सर्वाइवल. In short, we experience stress. In short, we experience stress when we feel out of control. अब हमारे कंट्रोल में है नहीं, करना है, एनी हाउ जैसे तैसे करना है, तो आदमी का चेहरा, पूरी एक्टिविटी सब स्ट्रेसफुल हो जाता है. This also means that different people handle stress differently. स्ट्रेस सबको होता है, सब अपने अपने तरीके से उसको हैंडल करते हैं. In different situations, you will handle stress better if you are confident in your abilities. हमारी जो क्षमता है उसमें अगर हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस है तो हम उसको हैंडल कर सकते हैं. If you can change the situation, you can take control, and if you feel that you have the help and support needed to be a good job.
Sir, don't mind, I want to say something.
Yes, ma'am.
इंटरैक्टिव क्लासेस ये बोल रहे हैं, हमको लग रहा है कि गलत टॉपिक चुन लिया है और टोटल सवेरे का डेली का इसका अनुभव है, वही आज डेली करेगा.
तो एक हम लोग कह रहे हैं कि पार्ट एंड पार्सल है, लेकिन जब कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हमें होता है तो दो सॉल्यूशन है जो आएगा इसमें कि फाइट और फ्लाइट. तो अब हम आध्यात्मिक गुरु हैं, उनसे सीखे कि उन्होंने कहा कि वी मैनेज समथिंग व्हिच इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर अस. वी मैनेज करते हैं टाइम, वी मैनेज आवर मनी. और ये स्ट्रेस क्या है? सो ओनली 5 मिनट का एक वीडियो है, वो देखिए और उसको मैं थोड़ा
एक सवाल मेरे मन में आ रहा है कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं कि पार्ट एंड पार्सल है
जी, इसी का खंडन में.
हाँ सुनिए ना पहले मेरी बात. तो पार्ट एंड पार्सल है, एक वर्ड जो आप बोल रहे हैं उसको हम कंट्राडिक्ट करते हैं. दूसरा है कि स्ट्रेस इज रिलेटेड विद आवर लाइफ.
यस,
तो वहाँ भी कंट्राडिक्शन.
ये दोनों को कंट्राडिक्ट करने
से फर्स्ट
जी
पार्ट एंड पार्सल उसको बोलेंगे कि हम व्यापार करेंगे तो हमको घाटा या मुनाफा होना ही है, दैट इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ बिजनेस. लेकिन यहाँ हम एज ए टीचर, एज ए प्रिंसिपल स्कूल में स्ट्रेस जो है वो दैट इज नॉट अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल.
यस यस, यू आर राइट मैम.
टीचर है.
यस, ये सब लोग जो कहते हैं वो मैं कह रहा था अभी.
नहीं, सब लोग नहीं कहते, जो होना चाहिए.
हाँ, और
सब लोग
आप
कहते हैं कि आज छुट्टी
देखिए,
लगे
yes,
इसका अच्छा रहता है.
ये सही नहीं. मैडम ने जो कहा उसका मैं समर्थन करता हूँ. इट इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल नहीं है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
और इसी बात को दिखाने जा रहा हूँ, यही बात वो कहेंगे कि पार्ट एंड पार्सल नहीं है.
उसमें मेरा ये कहना है नंबर 2 कि आपका फर्स्ट लाइन जो स्टार्ट हुआ है स्ट्रेस इज रिलेटेड विद आवर लाइफ. ये रिलेटेड नहीं है. दिस इज अनकॉल्ड सिचुएशन है, फेनोमेना है जो हमारे सामने आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेस. कोई नहीं चाहता है कि हम तनाव में रहें, बट इट इज अनकॉल्ड, अनवांटेड एक्सीडेंट है, फेनोमेना है ऑफ लाइफ व्हिच कम्स इन टू सी. क्या नहीं एग्री कर सिर्फ
आई एग्री.
ओह
And,
नहीं है.
What you say?
बड़ी हमारी क्लास में
I am very happy to say that what I am going to show, you have already told. The same thing is told by, you can see there, and there is he is called Sadguru, and his name is Jaggi Vasudev.
The first time I came to United States, wherever the first time I came to United States, wherever I went, I heard this term, stress management. I could not understand. Because in my understanding, we manage things which are precious to us. Our families, our businesses, our money, our property, whatever is precious to us, we will manage that. Why would somebody want to manage stress? I couldn't get it for some time. Then I realized people have made a conclusion that stress is an extra limb that they have in their body.
So ये कह रहे हैं कि people have understood that stress is a extra limb of our body, so we are managing that. It is not a part and parcel of our life. In life, everybody thinks that I am stressful.
Stress is an appendage that they cannot get rid of. Stress is not a part of you.
The same thing, stress is not a part of you. It is not part of your life. People think so.
You get stressful because you do not know how to handle your...
You get stressful because you don't know how to handle the situation. If you know how to handle the situation, stress is not a part of our life.
mind. No attention is being paid as to how to handle this mind, how to handle this emotion, how to handle this body, how to handle these energies. Nothing has been done about it. You're managing such a sophisticated system accidentally. So you're being stressed.
He says that life is such a sophisticated system and it is being managed automatically. Life should be managed carefully. If you are careful, so live carefully. Whatever you do, live consciously, then you will not have any problem. So such a sophisticated system of our life is being managed automatically. It is not being managed carefully.
So, is a natural outcome of such unconscious living. There is no other way to be. Don't think your job is stressful. Now you're a student.
He just now said that don't think that your job is stressful. Nowadays, the NEP is coming and it is going to be more. It is going to be difficult but not stressful.
Being a student is stressful. If you don't find employment when you come out of the college, that is stressful.
When we feel stress, when you have completed your education and you don't get a job, and what he is going to say tell now listen carefully because you will really laugh and he also laughs. That is the situation of the people.
If you get a job, even more stressful.
If you don't have job, you are stressful, and if you get job, more stressful. In both conditions. नौकरी नहीं है, टेंशन है, हो गया और टेंशन, इतना काम करना पड़ता है.
माउस से सर.
So it's human perception to see the object in different size.
बस बस हो जाएगा.
सर बोलेंगे
हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा.
Get married, that is very stressful. If you get married,
शादी नहीं हो रही है, टेंशन है. शादी हो गई तो
बहुत टेंशन
है.
I don't want to say anything. If you don't have children, that is stressful. If you have children, you pull your hair out with stress. So, it is not your job or your life situations which are stressful. Stress is happening to you because of your inability to manage your own system.
Inability to manage your system. If you are stressed, it means it is your inability to manage your system.
Not knowing how to manage the system is stressfulness. If this happened the way you want it, you would be stressful. If you do simple inner engineering process, just 21 minutes a day. Today you take your pulse rate before and after food. Do it for 6 weeks. Check your pulse rate and see it will be considerably down. Which essentially shows with the same level of activity, this is a simple indicator. There are many other parameters that you could check. But this is an extremely simple indicator for which you don't have to go to any laboratory, you can check it yourself. The lowering of the pulse with the same level of activity indicates that your system is going at an easier pace. That means it's working much more efficiently. If you drive your car at 2000 RPM, the engine may last 100,000 kilometers or miles. If you drive the same engine at 5,000 RPM, it may last only 50,000 miles or less.
ये बता रहे हैं कि जो कार हम चलाते हैं चाहे कोई भी गाड़ी तो उसको अगर स्पीड में चलाया रफली चलाया तो बहुत कम चलेगा उसका लाइफ कम हो जाएगा और उसी तरह हमारा जीवन है जीवन की गाड़ी को अगर हम सावधानी से चलाएंगे तो वो लॉन्ग टाइम तक चलेगा
Simply because it's unnecessarily revved up. So if this can do everything that it has to do at an easy pace, that means it is happening efficiently. Any machine which has least amount of friction within itself happens efficiently, naturally produces more with least amount of stress. It is definitely time to do some inner engineering.
So we learned that if you learn to manage stress, then stress is not stress. We have discussed causes of stress and we will discuss now. So we can see that there are some internal and some external causes. Internal, chronic worry, pessimism, rigid thinking, negative self-talk, unrealistic expectations, all or nothing attitude. Internal, external, major life challenges, work and college when we work or whether we are in college, broken relationships, financial problems, stress in your family, being too big. These are causes. Then we see types of stress. Threat, frustration, pressure, conflict. Effects of stress. These are some effects. Headache, sleeplessness. These are the effects. Tight or sore muscles, shaky hands, sweatiness, stomach ache, rapid breathing. These are, when you got too much stress, you can see these effects. Emotional effects of stress are moodiness, lack of enthusiasm. When you are in too much stress, you don't have any enthusiasm to do. Forgetfulness, problem पता चला जाता है. Excessive worry, short-tempered, feeling overwhelmed. Depression and anxiety इसी का है. अब साफ करते हैं इसको. Weight problem, heart disease, digestive problems, cognitive and memory problems, skin problems also. And these are some cycle of stress where stress will trigger reaction to stress, wear and tear of body, reduced optimum health, increased sensitivity. Now, let us think it through Bhagavad Gita, what it says. When we have some any problem, we have to get knowledge from our scriptures. Bhagavad Gita and Ramayana. उसका क्या कहना है इसके बारे में? Why we are having stress? So conflict with others is a major source of stress in our daily life. It is Bhagavad Gita says every conflict between two people has to do with one side wanting to possess what the other side has or to control it. This results in one side wanting to impose its will. If somebody is trying to impose will on you, then you will feel stress. View, opinion, belief on the other. We see this in every conflict in the world between husband and wife, between parents and children, between in-laws, between friends, between boss and employee, between business partners, between communities, and even between nations. So, conflict with others. I will try to focus on 2 slokas from Bhagavad Gita. संस्कृत के हमारे बंधुओं में तो इसको उच्चारण कर सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं इसको अच्छे से. I think better my Sanskrit is not so good. कोई भी सर पढ़.
ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः संगस्ते सुपजायते संगात् संजायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते.
थैंक यू सर. ये गीता चैप्टर 2 श्लोका 16. ध्यायतो मीन्स कंटेम्पलेटिंग. कंटेम्पलेटिंग मीन्स थिंकिंग, चिंतन करना. विषयान् पुंसः